Welcome to Xpertifi newsletter. We will be discussing current banking news to keep you updated and informed. Let's dive into the news from last week. Banks ask RBI to relax liquidity rule. Indian banks are asking the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) to relax rules that require them to keep a lot of funds in liquid assets. They want to free up more money for lending because deposits are not keeping up with the high demand for loans. This change would allow banks to use those extra funds to give out more loans. Currently, banks have to sell bonds to meet the growing loan demand, and the industry's credit to deposit ratio is around 80%. Loan demand in rural and semi-urban areas may rise. Credit demand in rural and semi-urban areas for affordable housing, microfinancing and tractor purchases is expected to improve. This is because the new government is focusing on increasing rural outcomes and improving infrastructure outside cities. Additionally, a credit-linked subsidy scheme (CLSS) under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana will help drive credit growth in the future. Public sector banks suggest steps to improve deposits. State Bank of India and other public sector banks are asking the government to let them offer incentives to boost deposits, which have dropped. Banks have suggested reducing the lock-in period for tax-saving fixed deposits from 5 years to 3 years. With higher returns from equities, mutual funds and tax-saving equity-linked savings schemes (ELSS), investors prefer these options over tax-saving fixed deposits, which all have a 5-year lock-in period. Banks argue that a healthy balance between deposits and loans, credit deposit ratio, is essential for funding the economy and large infrastructure projects. ATM operators seek to increase interchange fee. India's ATM operators are asking the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) and the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) to increase the interchange fee, which is the fee customers pay for cash withdrawals. The Confederation of ATM Industry (CATB) wants this fee to be raised to a maximum of Rs 23 per transaction to secure more funding for their business. In 2021, the interchange fee on ATM transactions was raised from Rs 15 to Rs 17, and the cap on the fee charged to customers was increased from Rs 20 to 21 per transaction. The interchange fee is paid by the bank that issued the card to the bank where the card is used to withdraw cash. Before we say goodbye for now, let's see how the various indices performed last week. Xpertifi has launched a banking course that guarantees 2 interviews with banks and NBFCs within 1 month of completing the course. So make sure to register yourself and inform your friends and family as well. Follow Xpertifi for banking jobs and news on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. See you next week with more news. Till then, take care.